Hi there, this is Sagar Amlani, a professional speaker and author of three amazing books, a LinkedIn strategist, and a business consultant. Thank you so much for showing interest in leveraging LinkedIn. I have been working with amazing professionals and thought leaders to create their digital reputation through my signature program called ECG of LinkedIn. Hello again. I'm here to show you today how to change your profile picture and make it more impactful. Let's dive in. So, as you know, this is your LinkedIn account, and to change the profile picture, all you need to do is click on the me icon, go into view profile, and you can change your profile picture. But why do you need to change your profile picture? The most important thing when you want to change your profile picture is check if that photo that you've uploaded, is it looking professional? Is the background plain or is it disturbing while viewing your picture? Is the image a good smiling professional image that you want to portray yourself as? Have you used any filters? Are you smiling in the picture and do you have eye contact? If any one of these points does not tick the box, you better change the profile picture and upgrade it to a more professional looking image. Remember to shoot it not in a selfie mode because it always gives low resolution images. Ask some of your friends to just click a picture for you in a good daylight or maybe a good spotlights that you have, but not too much hazy on your face or too much light on your face because it may look it like dull image or too bright image. So ensure that is managed. Second most important thing, ensure that you don't have too many people in the background while you're creating that image, or at least have a plain background. Nonetheless, you can do clear background, remove background through multiple AI tools, but however, an image taken well is always better for editing. So try and get a better image at the start rather than investing too much time in editing it. So let's dive in on what all you need to set up a good profile picture. Well, as we all know, we have to go click here, go to the Me profile, and this is where you need to change the profile picture. The best tool that I use is Canva. In Canva, when you search for LinkedIn profile picture templates, you get so many images that are ready-made. You can search writing it here. I always prefer to start with blank, but pick up ideas from multiple options that you have here. What I have done for you is I've already created a blank thing, which is a resolution, a good resolution in a size of 400 by 400. And I would give it my brand color, which is orangish red. Click on the image that I want for myself to be on, and then edit the picture, remove the background. Once the background is removed, I will zoom it to the size which I want on LinkedIn. Now, this comes out to be a perfect size for me. If you want to add some elements or you want to add something as a circle or a frame, you can choose multiple things that you want to add there. Let's say you want to add dots just to make it look nice. I'm just doing a trial with you. And let's say you want to add dots at the back, make it look and just push it back. Let's say you've added these dots and you wanted to make it good, and whatever edits other than that you want, you can do it. Click on download. Ensure that you select a JPG image and download. And that's job done. While it's getting downloaded, you can always come back to your LinkedIn profile, click on the image that you want to change, add a photo, upload a photo, and the recent downloaded image that you have, you can always select that, upload it there, and job done. So here you have it. You can zoom it, crop it, use filters, and do it. I would avoid using filters as it's on LinkedIn and it's not on Tinder or Twitter. Done it, and you click save. I'm not going to click save because I already have my image here and I don't want to play around with it. So I'm going to just mark it X, but you can go ahead and save it, and that gives you your profile image.